Okay, live on YouTube and on X, getting on the voice on George. What is going on, y'all? It is time for the Lotto Hour. Let me know if you can see my screen. You should be able to. Hope everyone had a decent day. I had a great day, honestly. I had a good morning. Made money on calls, made money on puts. Life is good. Let's just review some of the things that George is saying. Wait, is it your birthday, Henry? No, it's Sneaky's birthday today. So happy birthday, Sneaky. I don't think he's here, but it is what it is. George likes calls for tomorrow. I respect that. I took the SoFi calls. I took the Walmart calls. I took the Target calls. I took the SoFi calls as well. I think I already mentioned that. I got some SPY calls for Monday, 688, 6C, which are pretty green. I don't know if anyone took them. Probably not, because I think we all had a tough day, or for the most part, we had a tough day. But yeah, when the market goes hard like that and VIX is at 25 or above, I'm swinging calls for the most part. I think I mentioned this. I've scaled out of most of my, except for one runner on the 679 puts for Monday, but I've scaled out of like literally every put that I had for a hedge today. So that kind of worked out. These are the swings that I'm taking. Google looks pretty good as well, but we'll see where that ends up. 686 calls for Monday. They're green. I got them at 179, sold them at 220. I still got 3 left. We'll see. I do think we're going towards 692, maybe 94 tomorrow, but you know, that is my opinion. And for the last 20 minutes here, I want to get some calls, but I don't know which ones yet. I think I like the 6830s, maybe 6835s, but I'm going to wait a couple of minutes. Microsoft does look strong. Let's go look at it. It is flagging for higher. So if you want to get like 412 or 412.5 calls for tomorrow, it might be a good risk and reward.
Fucking expensive for 1 DTE.
For Microsoft?
Yeah.
Let's go check how much they are.
It was like $2 for the 412s. Do something.
Oh, I wonder if they have like news coming out or something. Well, you are also buying it at the peak here, so I don't know if it's worth doing. Maybe we can do it tomorrow, right at open. I wouldn't chase it here personally, and these are really expensive. I don't know what's going on with Microsoft stock, but it is what it is. And let's go to the Lottos page on George. Let's see what he's seeing. Yeah, he's going to say calls. I already know that. I already know he's going to say calls. Okay. 6850C at 17 is a steal. But I want to get the 6835 under 50 if I can get it. So I'll do 2 of these. At point 40, I'm going to do. I don't know if I fill it or not, but let's try. And we'll go down to the 5-minute on SPX. There's just been not a lot of volume today, so we'll see where that goes. So what I'm seeing, just so everyone knows, they're just going to reject here. It's going to come back down. It's going to find support at this imbalance at 6804 and then go up. And yes, I'm trying to get 6840 at $40. And let me just duplicate this. I had a pretty good day on SPX. I was actually on point for all of it, which is rare for me because I don't trade SPX that much. But today I was just like, man, let's see how it goes. $68.55 is just way too out of the money. So no, SPX is not something I trade that much. I enjoy it. Don't get me wrong, but I don't trade it as much as I want to. And the reason for that is like, you can either go like 1,000% in a relatively small amount of time, or you can just go to 0 in like the same amount of time. So do I want to risk, outside of the Lotto hour, do I want to risk like 200, 300, 500 bucks? Probably not. Okay, I'm just waiting for this rejection here. Come back down, get to this imbalance. This is your basing point for going higher. And the puts that I'm watching here are the 6,800, but they're not worth the risk here on the Lotto. So I like the calls better because of the risk and reward. And then 68.30. Hold on, let me just give you that right thing. 35C at 40 ideally. I don't think it fills, but you know, we'll watch. I got flagged on YouTube for playing Yakety Sax yesterday, so I'm not doing that again.
Tim's fault.
Always. Institutional volume alerts. They were pretty good today. I was quite shocked how well this worked today. And the gamma page today on George was spot on. Like that's what I was using for trading. Just so everyone knows, when I was watching this and I picked up 6,800 calls or 6,800 puts this morning, it was because of this. Nothing else. It was kind of insane. And it's our end of day target. I got 60. Oh shit, we already, it's going to pump. I can't do anything. Okay. I'm going to get puts instead. Nothing going to be better risk and reward, but we'll see. Wow, they swept so much liquidity today. And I don't know what the next move is. Warlock and I are saying 68.12 end of day target for SPX, but let's see. I'm surprised I didn't get flagged on Chattahoochee, but I got flagged on friggin' Yakety Sax of all things. You'd think Alan Jackson is has more power than whoever made Yakety Sax, but it is what it is. Watch everything just probably started pumping Lydia at the same time. Microsoft, RTX calls. I don't want to get RTX calls. The AVGO is about to go. SPY's going. SPX is gone. I'm not going to get filled on this, am I? Okay, I might get puts instead. They're so expensive. I don't want that. Nah, I'm not taking that one. That's A, too far outdated, and B, I don't think it's worth the risk there. Oh shit! All right, Sean got filled. Nice, nice. I did not get filled, unfortunately, but here is where I'm stuck. I do think gamma exposure at 6,800 is probably the right call, so you might want to get the 6,800 puts at $100 if you want them. But again, I don't know if I get filled on that either. Actually, I think it will get filled. I might change the strike to 6830 instead at 100. Give me a sec. Cancel this. 6830 C at 80 per con. Lotto. Okay, I'm doing that instead. Sorry, I'm changing what I wanted instead. Buy 2 of these and we'll enjoy the ride. I think it will fill. I think this one will fill. Hey, if you're green, stay green, buddy. Don't lose it on a lotto. Yeah, there you go. Okay, well, you're down $50 today, so that's not bad. My emails are going crazy. What did I do today? Oh, nothing. Market in turmoil. That's when I get emailed the most. All right, makes sense. Hey,
Markets
Phil.
in turmoil. Is that literally what it says?
Yeah. People freak out when you get like a 1% down day. I'm buying calls. Bro. That's what I said. That's exactly what I said. All right, 6830 is Phil. If it goes up, it goes up. I'm going to set a sell right now. I got it at 80, I think. I'm going to sell it at 160 if I can get it. Oops, sorry. 1.80 if I can get it. And I'll just leave 1 to do whatever it wants. And we'll see where that goes. They might pin us again, though. So just be cautious. I think you're up if your order filled there. Take the win. If you got it at a discount, please. I want 100 or 200% or 0. And I figured out a nice SPX strategy. I'll share with the paid chat tomorrow. I was looking at it today, and I was observing how I was trading using the gamma exposure on George. But basically, like when you find this get updated, and you'll see like events on the right, and whatever that strike is below or above, I think it was today below the rejection point, and the contract sub $400, I'm just gonna buy one or two of them just to see what happens. But that's where the best risk and reward seems to be on the intraday side. But I'll post like a little tutorial afterwards. Meanwhile, let's go see what Walmart or other things are doing. You could probably get the Walmart calls for a discount, but your call. So we'll see how that goes. I'm pretty optimistic it goes towards the 20.45 target. TGT, don't know what it's going to do, but it looks like it's about to pump. And Google. I know we had a lot of bearish flow on Google, but I think that's a fake out. So looks to me like a cup and handle is going to form. You got your nice cup forming. You will get a handle sometime soon, and then it flies towards 304, 205, whatever that number is. But again, lottos are lottos. We'll see how it goes. This is that basing zone. Let's see if this goes up here. You mean 6820, 6818? Wow, it got filled at 65, sold at 80. Nicely done. Yeah, it wants up, honestly. I've been saying that for a while. It just took all day. Like I thought we were going to get it at like 11:30 or maybe 1:30, but we're getting it now at 3:45.
Volume was dry as fuck today.
Yeah, volume has not been great. What is going on? Why is this being weird? Hold on. Why did this not go up? Oh, maybe it's just theta. But do they want down? Ah, I could see like a 6,800 sweep right now. Shit, I don't want to buy put.
There's so many headlines coming out right now.
Headlines will change things for us. Yes, they will. That was suspicious. It went up, premiums dropped like crazy. Okay, who is this? It's Fox.
1,600's a buck. 10.
It's pretty good risk and reward, honestly. Those premiums just jumped like crazy. All right, not worth it.
Oh, insane. Yeah, you're right. Already up 20%.
What headlines came out?
U.S. aircraft crash in Iraq. New missiles being thrown back and forth. Some rules about Fed banking. It's nonstop headlines all day, really.
Oh shit, there's a news page here. I've never seen that. Don't rely on the Trump taco trade during wartime. Okay, well, these calls might be cooked, y'all. Apologies. I might get the 6820s if they come down in price, or 6815s if they come down in price. But here's where we are.
And that was tough. Gamma wall plus the headlines, that's just bad luck.
Oh yeah, that's okay. We'll see how it goes.
Honestly, I will be ecstatic if we end up at 68.1250 for the close of the day.
Oh
Just
yeah, that's our number there.
just for the novelty of it. You know what I mean? Like, it's nostalgic in a way.
It really is. All right, do I get filled on 68.20 at 100? I don't know.
I mean, to be honest, we pretty much pegged the channel for the end of the day, though. What did you say, 68.05? And I said 68.17?
Yeah, I had 68.08 as my end of day target, which is like where we're hovering right now.
Oh, yeah. You had 08. That's right. 08 and 17. That's how we got to like 12 and a half. But it's like
Yeah.
we're right between 08 and 17.
Yeah, because like that's in between the two zones that I had marked out, right? So like I had a level at 68.18, and then I had a level right here at 68.07. So I'm like, you're likely going to attack this bottom channel first, and then you decide to just go in somewhere between.
Yeah, my entire chart, like 68.17 and below, is just red. Because it's very rare that we close the day in that channel. Like,
Yeah, I agree.
you can go back months and months and months and months. It dips down in there, maybe for a day, but it's completely out of the channel the following day. Like, it gaps up out of it every single time. So that was like, yeah, this was an easy calls to take in the second half of the day, especially when it hits 67.70.
Oh yeah. I do think they gap up tomorrow because the reports in the morning will be pretty nice. It does want up though. I don't know if we jump to like 68.26, but it does want to go up.
Yeah, looking at it, I would guess we probably open somewhere around like 68.30s, maybe, or something tomorrow. Kind of
Really,
somewhere
because
near the top of those tops before we dropped off into the
I think like
gulag.
my target is 68.48 for tomorrow morning, and the reason I say that is because like that's where this imbalance has not been filled yet. Yeah, no, 68.20 ran. I was trying to get a fill. I obviously did not. I moved too slow there. But hey, these are green now. What? That's cool. See, this is what I didn't want to buy puts. Okay, 100%, take the win. 200%, take the win. One of my limit cells is sold. 68.20. Oh, shit. Oh, look at that. What did I say? Okay, still 44. Okay, come on. We got 100% there. Come on. Take the win, take the win, take the win. It does want up, I'm telling you. Filled 68.30 from, what did I get at, 80 bucks or whatever? Hold on, I gotta check that. Anyways, filled 200%. We'll leave one for kicks. What the hell? We had 100% there. What happened? Why did it dump so much? All right. Since I've made money on this already, I'm gonna get the 68.25s and just enjoy it and see. Hopefully it goes in the money. I'm gonna try to get it at 90. Honestly, I think it will fill. Filled. All right. I'm either gonna die on that one or it's gonna go in the money. Yeah, I went from it's so over to, oh, we're so back in like a matter of 5 minutes, huh? This is just how it is. Wow, 68.25 filled again. Let's see, they're going to go up 1,000% or zero. I don't care about this one. But you did see this go 200%. You all saw it. I wasn't bullshitting there. I'm going to see if I can sell one of this. Not a break even, but maybe at $1. Yes, it is recorded. It is recorded. It'll be on YouTube and X wherever else shortly.
My mom watches on WhatsApp. Can you post it there?
Huh?
Dude, your workflow on Webull is so fast. I tried it a long time ago, and I was just so slow to put orders in and
We're going.
and
200%, 6825. Oop, sold. All right, this one's either going in the money or going to zero. I don't care. 200%. Give me 10x, baby. Give me a 10x.
Dude, Shazzy, I just bought 100 contracts of XSP for fucking $7 and sold them for 10.
Nicely done. Come
The
on.
fucking 683 is like $7. What the fuck? I'll buy 100 of them just for fun.
Yeah, you might as well at that point in time.
I just did limit sell 10. Fuck it, dude. It went in 5 seconds. It just pop, done.
Yeah, exactly. All right, 200% on 6825.
Like
Hopefully someone got
XSP,
the
you
fill.
guys, is the contracts are cheap. It's kind of fun. Like a $7 con at the end of the day, you could just leave it and be like, hey, if it goes in the money, cool. It doesn't, you know what I mean? Versus a $70 con, $100 con. Like, don't negate it. The fills aren't great during the day, but end of the day, yeah, that shit, there's volume. It's got liquidity.
All right, y'all just saw me do it twice, get 200% both times. I don't know if this is now a skill issue or I'm a wizard or something, but here we are. A skill issue for me, I mean, not for you guys. A skill issue in that I got these fills somehow.
where'd the algo?
The algorithm. I turned $50 that I started with this morning into like quite a bit more by the end of the day. 300%. There it goes in the last 5 minutes. What are you gonna do? 400. Give me a 10x, please. Oh man, they might pin it here. But hey, if this goes expires in the money, I'm happy either way. See, if
by the way, those spy calls that you mentioned earlier, they're very nice.
Yeah. See, when people are panicking on buying calls, easy, no offense, bruv. But when you said you're buying short semis, I was like, oh, bottom signal's firing to me.
Oh, I mean, you're a day trader. I'm a swing trader. There's
That
a
is true
huge
too.
difference there.
That is true too. I do one-dated calls more often than not, or shorts or whatever. But I don't have any tech left except for Apple stock. Everything else I've sold because I probably sold at the bottom. In all honesty, that is a skill issue on me. But in fairness, I was like, I just don't see where this is going to go anytime soon. If someone got the 6825 fill at the same fill that I got, which was like $100, please take the win at 300, 400%. I'm going to hold us to 0 or 1,000. That's literally it.
Did 25% on the SoFi lottos already.
Hell yeah, let's do it. Take the win if you all want. I'm going to hold them till tomorrow. George has a crazy win rate on these swings. It's kind of unreal. $348%, 25% on SoFi, 35% on SoFi. Oh, look at that. That's kind of cool. Coca-Cola puts already sold. What else did I have? My AVGO calls for next week are not dead after all. Holy crap. I was so worried about that. They're really expensive.
They're going to come back right now.
I definitely will. Oh, SPX paid for my dinner and meals for tomorrow, so I'm happy with that.
Oh, easy. You see, I posted where I got into Honeywell and Rockwell earlier, and just
Yeah, I saw that.
kind
I'm waiting for
of
my alert
spaced on
to
it.
get hit, and I'll get in.
Honestly, Honeywell never pulled back from the time we talked about it. It just went up, it went the other way. Like I was trying to chase the bid, and it kept going, and I was just like, all right, fuck it, and then I just took it for I think $200. Rockwell I picked up and it actually kind of sucked down a little bit, but it's back in green now. It's up a couple percent.
I'm going to get 500%. I should really sell. But no, I'm going to watch this go expire to 0. I swear to God, this is what's going to happen. 500. It is. 500. Let's go.
By the way, when you say you're paying for your dinner, does your dinner consist of steak and lobster by chance?
No, it's going to be like noodles and fucking fried rice or something because I like that better than steak and lobster. 600. Yes, let's go.
Poutine and maple syrup.
I mean, that too. Toronto is expensive.
Kimchi on it.
610. Yes, going to get a 10x here. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
By the way, folks, in case you're just joining, what basically happened here was something that is suddenly not that rare at George, even though statistically it is. Another 10xer. Multiple ones, actually.
Well, hopefully this is also a 10x. I have no idea. You should take the win, you know? What did I put here? 610. All right.
And you don't want to even look at what 6,800 is right now, by the way, folks.
I have that on my main account, so I'm happy. It went from $250 that I got it to $33,000.
Anyways,
Oh,
folks.
nice.
Folks. Yes, Toronto is expensive, but I'm pretty sure you can get a nice dinner for $30K. Folks, you still have the opportunity to get into those ticker liquor lottos that we were talking about. You have 1 minute left. Still have time to fill it. And after the bell, we have some wonderful earnings, starting with Costco.
I'm long Costco personally. I got some comments today just to see what happens.
I'm playing
Shabs, we were both way off on those targets, man. Shit. I'm surprised it got back this high.
I mean, I'm not, but yes.
68.30, dude.
You know what George was saying on the Lottos page before? He was saying the 68.30 and 50s, remember? And we didn't take them.
I wasn't on the Lottos page. I was talking with the support at Thinkorswim because they were having some weird issues with pricing. So I was like in there with a dude trying to get their shit.
Fair enough.
You might be able to lotto, let's see, CTOG for Costco for the levered ETF.
I just got the FOMO from coming into the call late and not grabbing the the end of the day call, but I'm still fine.
All right,
I'll just
folks,
keep playing little sounds for myself.
All right, folks, let's see. Does 68.30 finish? Yes, we did. We got a final total of 68.30.50. If you did get 68.30, it finished in the money. It didn't wick us down. The odds were ever in our favor here. You witnessed that live. What was that? 200% twice?
200% twice and 600% peak here and 500% is where it ended up in the money. I'm going to wake up with an extra $300, $400. I'm happy.
Excellent. And folks, please do stick around. Easy is
that's right.
Doing a class.
Easy, walk us through it.